record in the boys 400-meter hurdles under 20, held by Jehu Gordon. That would have been back in 2010, 49.76.
Stunning record. Definitely don't think that is under threat.
That was the year he won the Austin Seeley Award, one of 4 Trinidad and Tobago athletes to do so.
We did have qualifying in the under 20 boys 400 hurdles. And we're set for quite a final coming up. Two wins for the Bahamas in the 400 hurdles, one for the US Virgin Islands. The Jamaicans are favored in the last one. They have 2 big guns, the only 2 who have gone under 51 seconds this season, ranked 5th and 6th in the world this year at the under 20 level. And so they come in as handy favorites, but we've seen so often at these Carifta games that matters not whether you're the favorite, because there are some informed kids coming for the titles.
If anything, there is a slight boost for Robert Miller. His record in the under 17 competition still stands.
And let's head across to Donald Oliver. Hurdles final coming up. Jehu Gordon, the record holder, 49.76. Here's the lineup. Jeremiah Francis of Trinidad and Tobago, Zion Davis, Bahamas, Shane West, Trinidad and Tobago, Robert Miller, Jamaica, Kyle Ned, Grenada, Princewell Martin, Jamaica, Akane Samuel Francis of St. Kitts and Nevis, and Rashad Gibson of Barbados. Going through their final paces, the crowd being introduced to the long jumpers, including, of course, the reigning Austin Seeley Award winner, Janeda Gans. Also in that lineup for Trinidad and Tobago, Gianna Paul, who led the heptathlon impressively last year before injury rolled her on to the remainder of the competition. No combined events action for her this season. She is going for it all in the long jump final. There's Robert Miller, still the under 17 400 hurdles record holder. Fell from the outside, lane number 8 at the Jamaican High School Championships in the under 20 final. He'll be hoping to avoid a repeat tonight in search of a medal. The introduction of the long jumpers has been going on for quite a while now. There are 20 of them, so you can imagine it's taking a little while. Here's a look at Kyle Ned of Grenada. Looked good in qualifying this morning. Is there a chance for a medal? Let's start on the outside. Rashad Gibson of Barbados, 54.23 in qualifying. Takes his place in lane number 8 in the championship race. Akane Samuel Francis, a silver medalist last year at the under 17 level, 53.68 to get to this final, the competition. He has the quality to medal. Princewell Martin won the under 17 400 hurdles title in Kingston in 2022, took silver at the under 20s last year. He's one of the favorites. Kyle Ned of Grenada, good in qualifying at 52.16, ran with a lot of confidence this morning. Let's see if he can repeat or get even better in the final. Robert Miller at 50.89 is the 6th fastest under 20 athlete in the world this year. He is last year's under 17 champion and still the record holder. In lane number 3 from Trinidad and Tobago, Shane West, 52.20 in qualifying today. Has an outside shot at the medal, and with the crowd pushing him, you never know. In lane number 2 for the Bahamas, 52.23 in qualifying, Zion Davis. And closing out the field, in lane number 1, Jeremiah Francis of Trinidad and Tobago. He qualified with 54.46. final of the under 20 boys 400 hurdles.
Shane West just taps his right thigh. Hopefully everything's all right. You know how athletes are. A little superstition. Just get the feel, make sure everything's right.
Francis, Trinidad and Tobago. Davis, Bahamas. West, TNT. Miller, Jamaica. Ned, Grenada. Martin, Jamaica. Samuel Francis, St. Kitts and Nevis. Gibson, Barbados. Final of the under 20 boys 400 hurdles. Who will get it? Who will get the under 20 boys 400 hurdles gold medal? The Grenadian Con Ned has gone out quickly. Closes down on the Jamaican Princewell Martin, who starts to respond down the back stretch. The second Jamaican Robert Miller going steadily in lane number 4. Ned, Martin and Akane Francis of St. Kitts and Nevis, with Robert Miller drawing closer for Jamaica. 4 close together as they get ready to transition down the stretch. It's Robert Miller who leads, overstriding to a couple of the hurdles, but they say that is better than chopping strides. He's put it together now. Robert Miller is well clear of the rest of the field. There's a battle on for silver. Princewell Martin will get it ahead of Akane Francis of St. Kitts and Nevis, who gets bronze. But Robert Miller, in his first year at the under 20 level, decimates the field and wins back-to-back 400 hurdles gold medals at the Carifta Games. That really was stunning. Fell at the Jamaican High School Championships, but he has put it together brilliantly today. 50.42, it's the personal best and the Carifta gold medal. This man has to settle for silver in back-to-back years. Princewell Martin, 51.41. And Akane Francis of St. Kitts and Nevis, after under 17 silver last year behind Robert Miller, he has under 20 bronze this year.
Yeah man, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, what a terrific track and field event. Under 20 boys 400 meters handoff final Carifta Games 2025 in Trinidad and Tobago. Amazing guys, these young men are flying and drama continues. Yeah man, guys, before I jump direct to the video, please like the video. Guys, thank you so much for your overwhelming support through watching our video, liking, commenting and sharing. You my people, you are amazing. Blessings upon you. To all our new subscribers, thank you so much for joining this great family. Much welcome and feel at home. Kindly, please, and this is my prayer to you all, make sure that you always watch my videos to the end and don't skip the ads, because my people, that's where we gain revenue. Having said that, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the greatest races so far in this year 2025 track and field event. Under 20 boys 400 meters hurdles final, and we are seeing Jamaican showcasing their power in sprinting track and field event. Guys, we are seeing 2 young Jamaican flying like crazy, winning both gold and silver in this amazing under 20 boys 400 meters handle final. And Jamaican Robert Miller destroyed the field, burning the field completely, winning gold in his personal best of 50.42 seconds, the fastest time in the world this year 2025. Princewell Martin, also from Jamaica, secured silver in 51.41 seconds, and Akin Samuel Francis settled for bronze in 51.56 seconds. And guys, I don't know what's happening with this year 2025 track and field event. Moreover, in these Cariftas games in Trinidad and Tobago, as drama continues, we are seeing, and sorry for him, Kenneth of Grenada not finishing the race, as I don't know what happens with him, and he fell down. Oh, so sorry for him. And guys, as usual, let's congratulate all the young men from Caribbean competing in this amazing and great race. Under 20 boys 400 meters handle final Carifta Games. Actually, indeed, they did amazing job. As I always say, it's not that simple. And guys, at the comment section down below here, let's congratulate all the young men from Caribbean Island. This is not a joke. And guys, thank you so much for your precious time. And as we can see, our educations, all the lights are on, as Caribbean and Jamaica is showcasing to the world that in this sprinting track and field event, they are not that simple. So many young upcoming athletes who are flying like crazy, as we can see. And we expect much from them, and moreover for those Jamaican young athletes, because they have really shown not that simple. So guys, we expect a lot. We expect magnificent performance in this year track and field event, as well as World Championships later in the year in Tokyo, Japan. Bye bye guys. If it's your first time, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we have a new video. Bye.